Hello, and welcome to today's video. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to easily display all keyboard shortcuts in Microsoft Word. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced user, knowing these shortcuts can help you work more efficiently. Let's get started. First, make sure you have Microsoft Word open. Next, go to the View tab in the ribbon at the top of the screen. In the View tab, look for the Macros section. Click on Macros, and from the drop-down menu, select View Macros. A new window will pop up. Write List Commands. Then click the Run button. A new window will appear asking for your preferences. Select Current Keyboard Settings and click OK. Now, Word will generate a document listing all the keyboard shortcuts assigned to different commands. This list will include shortcuts for common actions like copy, paste, bold, and many more. And that's it. You now have a complete list of all the keyboard shortcuts available in Microsoft Word. You can use this list to improve your workflow and become a more efficient user. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.